Alright guys, so today we're going to be replacing this busted up grill on a 2008 Freightliner Century. I was driving at night and I think either a piece of debris, it was kind of windy, or a bird hit it, busted it, so we're going to replace it. Alright, so there are 4 bolts in each corner. Just gotta loosen those up and it should pop right out. Alright, so we've got all 3 of these disconnected, but we've got one that's sticking, so we're going to have to use a flathead screwdriver on the other side. So we're going to use a screwdriver to pry these old rubber grommets out so we can slide the new ones into place. So these just push into place like so, in place of the old ones. Here's the new one. Alright, so here is the new grill. Nice and shiny. Freaking awesome. It's gonna look really good. It also comes with show you new hardware. So I think it was this corner up here, the rubber grommet and the bolt stripped out, so they give you new hardware. So we'll go ahead and install these, and it should fit really nice and snug and look amazing. So I noticed that this one has a strip of adhesive, so we'll go ahead and clean off the surface right here with some glass cleaner and a rag. Alright, so there she is. Brand new grill. Now the last piece is just to install the brand new logo, which I believe this just pops into place, hopefully. Just like that. And there she is. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Alright, well that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one.